What's going on, everyone? Chandler Wheat here with Lebanon Ford Performance Parts, and today we are going to talk about a very exciting product for the 2018 and 2019 Mustangs, and that is the all-new JLT Cold Air Intake. All right, so let's dive right in. First of all, for those of you guys who have the 18 to 19 Mustangs, congratulations. You have probably the best performing GT in the history of Ford Motor Company right out of the box. These things are making pretty crazy horsepower numbers. Some of them are seeing over 400 wheel horsepower, bone stock on the dyno. But what happens if you're like 99% of Mustang enthusiasts and want to turn it up a little bit? I'm not talking crazy extreme, you know, forced induction, twin turbo system, but just some basic bolt-ons and a tune. Well, JLT has been just about the first to market with their 2018-2019 Mustang Cold Air Intake. Of course, most people know what a cold air intake is. It consists of a larger tube that's designed for increased airflow, which is going to net you more horsepower, a substantially larger, higher flowing filter, the throttle body silicone adapter, a couple plugs and ports, and then the box itself. This particular box, it should be noted, also incorporates the piece for the factory front cold air induction system, where it actually sucks in a little bit of cold air from behind the right upper portion of the grill. So what does that all mean for you? Basically, it means it's an easy install. This is something that should take probably an hour tops. The factory piece just bolts right out. This bolts right in with virtually no modification unless you do want to incorporate the sound tube. Fortunately, JLT includes instructions on exactly what you do if you do want to keep the sound tube so you can hear those induction noises in the cabin. Most people just recommend deleting them, myself included. So this is going to net you probably another 20 horsepower at the wheels, give or take a little bit. I would definitely suggest backing it up with a custom tune though, as this particular unit is not designed to be run without a tune. JLT does make a more expensive cold air intake that is designed to be run tune-free for those of you that are really concerned about your warranty or are not wanting to jump up to the price of having a custom calibration. Fortunately though, for those of you that are and that do want to have maximum horsepower, I'd suggest pairing it with a Palm Beach Dyno tune and an HP Tuner's N gauge that you can find on our website. This is also part of our LFP GT 550 package, and what that is, for those of you guys who don't know, is a JLT Cold Air Intake, a Roush Resin Air Delete, and a Palm Beach Dyno NAE85 tune, and that's going to develop somewhere in the high 400s at the wheels. Yep, you're right, so about 550 horsepower at the crank. It's tremendous what a little bit of E85, a good tune, and a higher flowing cold air intake will net you on your 2018 to 2019 Mustang. Again, these are available on our website at LebanonFordPerformanceParts.com for about $350. If you don't want to jump all the way up to the GT 550 package, you can also pair in a Palm Beach Dyno tune very easily. It's going to totally transform the way your Mustang rides and drives, especially if you have the 10-speed auto. Palm Beach is legendary on their 10-speed tuning, and it's definitely going to wake your Mustang up. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up today's episode. Thank you so much for watching. We've done a lot of these videos, and we're going to do a lot more, so make sure if you like the video, you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and tap the bell notification so that way you get updates. Feel free to comment below if you guys want to see product reviews on specific videos, and if you want to see the video that we did before this, click somewhere over one of my shoulders. Hannah's going to drop a link. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.